And the new thing that we are going to add is the icon box. So an icon box, you can search for it, and yes, you can see this icon box. And this time what we'll do is we'll make everything, the icons, the heading, the font, typography, and then we'll just copy and paste it into others and we'll do our work. So let's just go ahead and create a new section, but this time with 4 elements. And the new thing that we are going to add is the icon box. So an icon box, you can search for it, and yes, you can see this icon box. And this time what we'll do is we'll make everything, the icons, the heading, the font, typography, and then we'll just copy and paste it into others. Okay, now let's go ahead and add some icons which would describe what's written in the section. So the first of all, what we are describing is the free shipping. So for that we can use something like a truck, and I think this truck would work. We would hit insert. Now you can see this truck, and below is the heading and then the sample text. So for now I won't be modifying this sample text as it would waste a lot of your time, as I also need to think that what I'll write as a description. So for now let's just change the heading to something like free shipping, or it would be better if you capitalize all the text. And here you go, free shipping, and then here's a sample text. And then let's go to style and style it a bit. So we can make the primary color to white of the icon, and then we can make the background to something like dark brown or something like that, through which it would be visible. Now as we have just made the changes to it, let's also go ahead and change the title color, the description color, and change their typography. And let's increase its size to somewhere around 19. And also you can increase the size of the description, or yes, we can make it around 11, 12, and then hit update. And then you should go to advanced and add a background. Now we can add a color which is something like this. And yes, you can see that there's a bit of a shade which would look very good if we add the same thing on all 4. Now let's go ahead and modify the colors a bit. Yes, I think this color would work. Let's add a bit of a padding on top and bottom so that the truck doesn't seem to be sticking to the top. And yes, here we go. Also we can just go ahead and copy these and paste these on all 4, and then we can just modify them. So the next this one, we can go ahead and add something like discount or label if there's something like that. Okay, we can also add something like let's say we want to basically make them understand that we offer very good customer service. So let's search for service and see if anything comes up. Here I like this one, and then let's go ahead and select insert. Here you can go ahead and write guarantee. Service, and yeah, I made a mistake there. Yes, now you can see that it looks good. Now we can also do one thing, that we can go ahead and change the background color to red, because the red color is something which looks good on some websites. Yes, we can go ahead and tweak in a little bit. I would like it to be a brighter shade, and here you go. Now you can do the same thing with both these also. We can go ahead and add the next section to be something like percent yes, and here you can write best deals. We can go ahead and change the background color to maybe something this color, and yeah, we can make it a bit lighter. Yes, yeah, here you go. And then we can also go ahead and change this free shipping option to something like only verified products, or fulfilled by Amazon, or these products are fulfilled by Amazon. You can go ahead, hit insert. Yes, you can see the Amazon logo, and you can go ahead and yes, you can write something like fulfilled by Amazon, and you see that this looks very cool. Now also you can go to the background, you can modify it a bit as per your liking. As we have used most of the colors, I'll just leave it to something green. Yes, and as you can see, this looks good, but I'm just going to tell you some things which would make it look even better. And the thing we are going to do is, you have to go to this edit section option, and you have to go to this content width option, and then you have to select full width. Now you can see that it has become full width. And also we can do one thing, that is we can add a padding on the left and right to all four of these. To do that, just click on them and make these right and left paddings to 50 or 30, whatever you like. Yes, now you can see that this looks much better. Also, there's a very nice way of doing it, that is you can go and link all these values, and they'll automatically be, just if you select 20 here, 20 would be applied to all. So that's also a very cool way of doing these things. And yes, now we have created our sections, and now our website is starting to get its awesome look, but there's still a whole lot of work left, and now let's go ahead and do them. Now the last thing, we can go ahead and see that how it will look on a mobile device. Yes, you can see that it looks really awesome. Now you can just go ahead and hit update. So, before moving on to the next section, let me tell you a very common thing that websites like these do. So, they just buy some products and review them and create blogs about them, which helps them sell even more. Although, if you don't have those products, you can read reviews about them online, you can see some videos on YouTube about them, and then you can write some blogs about it. Also, they would help rank your website on some keywords which would drive some more sales for you. And that's the way many marketers get millions of followers on their blogs. And you guessed right, the next thing that we are going to build is a blog section. Let's now switch ahead and go to this desktop mode, and let's create a new section. with only a element, as we'll be going to add just a text right now. And for adding the blogs, I'll just tell you that how you can write a blog that is effective and that is SEO friendly. If you don't know what SEO is, it is basically search engine optimization. And search engine optimization helps in ranking your website higher on the Google search results. And we also installed a SEO plugin named as Rank Math SEO, and it will also help us to do some more SEO research and add links and things like that. And if you haven't installed the Rank Math plugin till now, you should go ahead and install it, or you can wait for a while, and as we create this section, I'll go ahead and teach you everything. So now I've added a heading and I'm just given it a black color. Let's go ahead to typography, give the typography to Poppins or Montserrat, whatever you like, and then make it a bit bigger. You can add a bit of a weight to it, and then I think we are good to go. We can add a padding from the top to around 30 or 40, whatever you like. And yeah, we added the section and we are done now. Now just go ahead and hit update, and as you can see, our website has been updated.